Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is going to save you so much time in your social media workflow. If you're a content creator, small business owner, or social media manager juggling multiple platforms, this feature is an absolute game changer. Instead of the traditional process of designing, downloading, opening each social media app, and then uploading, you can do everything right from Canva. This streamlined approach means less time on technical tasks and more time being creative. Start by opening your design in Canva. At the top right corner, click the Share button. Then select See All to view all sharing options. The Share button is your gateway to so many powerful features in Canva. Beyond just social media posting, you'll also find options to share via email, create presentation links, and collaborate with team members. But today we're focusing specifically on direct social media integration. Make sure you're logged into Canva before attempting this, as you'll need to authorize Canva to connect with your social media accounts. Scroll down to the social section where you'll find platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Click the one you want, for example, Instagram. Canva currently supports several major social platforms including Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Slack. The available platforms may vary depending on whether you're using Canva Free or Canva Pro. When you first click on a platform, Canva will ask you to connect and authorize your account. This is a one-time setup process. Don't worry, this is completely secure and you can revoke access at any time through your social media account settings. Next, choose Immediately Post to share right away or Schedule to plan your post for later. Click Continue to finalize your settings. The scheduling feature is particularly powerful for content planning. You can batch create multiple designs in one sitting and schedule them to post throughout the week or month. This is perfect for maintaining consistent social media presence without having to manually post every single day. When scheduling, you can add captions, hashtags, and even tag locations directly within Canva. Pro tip: use Canva's content planner to visualize your entire content calendar and ensure your feed looks cohesive. If you're using the Canva mobile app, you can also scan a QR code to post directly from your phone. The mobile QR code feature is incredibly convenient for posting Instagram stories and Reels, which can sometimes be tricky to post from desktop. Simply scan the code with your phone's camera, and the design will open in your Instagram app ready to post. This bridges the gap between desktop design work and mobile-first platforms like Instagram. It's especially useful when you're designing on your computer but want to post immediately to your Instagram story. A quick tip to post to Instagram via Canva and link it with Facebook: your Instagram account must be a business account. This is really important to note. Personal Instagram accounts don't have API access that allows third-party posting. To convert your personal account to a business account, go to your Instagram settings, tap Account, then switch to Professional account. It's completely free and gives you access to analytics and other business features too. Once your Instagram is connected as a business account, you can also enable simultaneous posting to your linked Facebook page, doubling your reach with zero extra effort. And that's it. Your Canva design is ready to go live on social media quickly and efficiently. This direct posting feature is especially valuable when you're managing multiple social media accounts or working with clients. You can maintain brand consistency, save hours each week, and reduce the risk of posting errors. Many professional content creators and agencies rely on this workflow to manage dozens of accounts efficiently. Just remember to review your post one final time before hitting publish. Check your captions, hashtags, and make sure you're posting to the correct account. If this tutorial helps streamline your social media workflow, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more time-saving Canva tips. Comment below and let me know which social media platform you post to most often, or if you have any questions about the posting process. I also have tutorials on creating social media content calendars and designing platform-specific content that you might find useful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating and posting amazing content.